tourist trap. Alert, don't go to LA, go to San Diego instead. Alright, let's be honest for a second. If you've ever said, I'm going to LA for vacation, there's a very good chance you came back tired, broke, stuck in traffic, and wondering what you actually paid for. Because LA has mastered one thing better than any city in America, marketing itself as a dream, while delivering stress. So today, we're asking the real question. Why are people still choosing Los Angeles, when San Diego exists and does almost everything better? Before we get into it, hit like if you've ever been disappointed by a hyped-up trip. Subscribe for real travel breakdowns, no influencer fluff. And let me know in the comments if you're Team LA or Team San Diego. Let's get into it. Let's start with money. Because LA will empty your pockets with a smile. Hotels in LA? You're paying premium prices for mid-tier quality. Parking? A nightmare. And you're paying for that too. Food? Half the time you're paying for the vibe, not the meal. Now compare that to San Diego. Hotels are cheaper. Parking is easier. Food prices make more sense. And you're not paying an industry tax just because celebrities live nearby. In LA, you feel like everything is trying to extract money from you. In San Diego, you feel like you're actually on vacation. Quick reminder. Like the video if you're tired of overpriced cities pretending they're worth it. LA traffic isn't traffic, it's a lifestyle. You can be 8 miles away and still need an hour to get there. San Diego? Still a big city, but way more manageable. You can actually plan your day without building your itinerary around freeway anxiety. Beach, food, downtown, sunset, all doable in one day. In LA, you're choosing one thing, and sitting in traffic the rest of the time. Subscribe if you want trips that don't involve spending half your vacation in a car. Let's talk beaches, because this is where LA's marketing really falls apart. Yes, LA has beaches, but they're crowded, they're chaotic, and a lot of them feel more like tourist displays than places to relax. San Diego beaches? Cleaner, more spread out, better vibes, better views. La Jolla, Pacific Beach, Mission Beach, Coronado. You're not fighting for space, you're enjoying the ocean. And the weather? San Diego might have the most consistently perfect climate in the country. Drop a comment if beaches matter to you when you travel. LA nightlife is famous, but it's also exhausting. Long lines, dress codes, guest lists, paying just to stand near people pretending to be important. San Diego nightlife is fun without the ego. Gas lamp quarter, beach bars, rooftops, live music. You're actually there to enjoy yourself, not audition for relevance. Culturally, LA feels fragmented. San Diego feels cohesive. You don't need insider access to have a good time. Like the video if you prefer real fun over fake exclusivity. This part matters. LA has beautiful areas, but also a lot of unpredictability. Tourists end up in the wrong neighborhoods all the time without realizing it. San Diego overall feels calmer, safer, and more relaxed. People are friendlier. The pace is slower. You don't feel like you're constantly on guard. Vacation should lower your stress, not raise it. Subscribe if safety and peace of mind matter when you travel. So let's wrap this up. LA isn't useless, but it's overhyped. San Diego gives you better beaches, better weather, better value, better vibes, less stress, and a vacation that actually feels like a vacation. If you're choosing between the two, ask yourself this. Do you want to chase an image? Or do you want to enjoy your time? Because San Diego quietly beats LA at almost everything that matters. Let me know in the comments, LA or San Diego. Like the video if this helped you rethink your next trip. Subscribe to the Highway Traveler POV for more real travel breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.